Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Molecular speed distributions can look tricky, but we can solve this fast by comparing molar masses for each gas shown in the graph right now.
According to the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution, the speed of gas molecules depends on their molar mass. At a constant temperature, lighter molecules will move much faster than heavier ones on average.
Let us compare the molar masses of our gases. Oxygen is the heaviest at 32, followed by nitrogen at 28, then methane at 16, and finally hydrogen is the lightest.
Methane is the second lightest gas, so it corresponds to the second widest curve. Therefore, option C is the correct answer.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and trust given data to find the correct molar mass order.